All right, guys, little update. I've been working my butt off. I did my test drive on Saturday. It went great until I got back after an hour of driving the power steering pump. Sorry, not the power steering pump, but the power steering gearbox decided to start bleeding fluid. So I spent the weekend rebuilding it. It was a lot of work. It was a pain in the butt, but that whole top half is a king nut, and I removed it and replaced all the seals and put it all back together. So, and then I had issues with the power steering pump. It just had too much air in it, and once I bled it a bunch and then put regular power steering fluid in it, it seems more stable. So thank goodness for that. I've got new fluid in the radiator, done my oil change. I still need to do some more test driving, but I've got it together. The only thing that's not working right now is the speedometer. I've got a new speedo gear I need to put in it. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow. And then Friday, Saturday, get my final test drive in, and hopefully we'll be good to go for the power tour on Sunday. It has been a crazy amount of work trying to get this thing together. I mean, I thought I was good on Saturday, and I was literally just cleaning up wires and running a couple little extra electrical things, and that power steering just gave out on me. And whoo, talk about hectic, causing some stress. But hey, so far so good. Hopefully after this weekend it's on to the power tour. If not, I'll have to swap to the Torino real quick this weekend. So we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. Later.